Hello, I'm going to talk about chapter 5, question 27. Here is the question you can see in the screen. Laboratory glassware shipped from the manufacturer to your plant via an overnight package service has arrived damaged. Develop a cause and effect diagram that identifies and outlines the possible causes of this event. You can give many different solutions to that. Sorry about my voice. So what you do is you first get a pen and paper, and you're going to start. Of course, you should also gather your other people working in the company and start writing the causes and effects, brainstorming on those. Okay. So let's say we did that, and you're gonna write, for example, you're going to write manufacturer handling causes. Maybe it's dropped, maybe carelessly packed, and you're gonna write, for example, material cause reasons, because maybe the strength flour, maybe the strength of the glassware is not enough, or maybe glassware, the material was broken at the start. Maybe the cause is because of the delivery service handling during the delivery. Maybe it's crashed, it's dropped, or maybe during the transportation there was a sphere vibration that caused this problem. There could be internal handling as well, like it could be crashed and dropped when they were handling it in the factory, or there could be some packaging issues. Maybe the box was not strong enough, or the padding was not enough. So that sort of reasoning. And as you remember, this is the fishbone. And the other one, fishbone diagram. Ishikawa, another name, and cause and effect diagram is also fine. And this is the event that had happened, glassware damaged. Okay, so how are we gonna do this on Minitab? So we are gonna go to Minitab, we are gonna open it up. Okay, right, okay, so we must have chapter 5 somewhere. Okay, so first of all, after you typed the reasons, you will start building your data set. Okay, in our case, the data set belongs to question 27. This is given, but in general it's not going to be given. You have to build it up. Okay, so the titles of the causes, like delivery, packaging, glassware, material issues, or internal issues, or manufacturer issues. These are the titles, and then we write how it might have happened. Crash, dropped, severe transport vibration for the delivery. For the packaging, not enough padding and weak box. For material reasonings, glassware reasonings, not enough strength, or broken at the start. Or internal reasoning, it could be dropped inside the factory or crashed inside the factory. Manufacturer reasoning, it is dropped, carelessly packaged. Okay. Excuse me. So we make this data set, and then we are going to use it. So we go to quality tools and cause and effect diagram, fishbone diagram. We open it up, but I already filled it in. Actually, let me erase them all. Usually they are not supposed to be in here. Okay, I'm gonna first change my labels. So I'm gonna use the labels I have in my data set. So delivery, Okay, delivery service handling. I'm gonna write delivery service handling. Okay, let's see, just a sec. Excuse me about that. My voice. And I'm gonna write my labeling here. Instead of machines, I'm going to write a glassware. And then this I'm gonna write manufacturer handling. And then here I'm gonna say internal handling. Okay, and then here I'm gonna say packaging, glassware packaging. Okay, that's it. Okay, the previous ones were default. By default we had that, but now it's okay. Let's see, everything is fine. Okay, so next I'm going to enter the data from here. So delivery service 25, it is this one, so I click on that. This is the data that's coming with it. So glassware, it is this data, I have to put it in. And then here, manufacturer handling, it is this data set. And internal handling, it is this data set. And for glassware packaging, we have the packaging. Okay. So I'm going to write the title, cause and effect, and what is the effect? We have to write that glassware damage. Okay, and this one we are supposed to write it. So it's going to be, what's the title of your diagram? It's cause and effect diagram. Usually they put a hyphen here, cause and effect diagram. Maybe make it capital here for damaged glassware. Okay, so click OK. So let's make it bigger. So this cause and effect diagram for damaged glassware, it's the title. Glassware packaging, there's a typo here, we can always correct it. Packaging, glassware packaging, not enough big box, not enough padding. So this is the effect, glassware damage. And then manufacturer handling, dropped, carelessly packed. Delivery service handling, crushed, dropped. Severe transport vibration, internal handling, and glassware. So we have it all. So I want to send this to my Word file. Okay, and afterwards I want to check whether everything looks okay. Okay, it sent the whole thing, which is good. Okay, that's what I wanted. That's the end of the recording. Thank you for listening.